If you like saving money, then stick with me because in today's video, I'm sharing with you the top deals you can pick up at Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree came out with a dupe for the $10 Touchland hand sanitizer, and I have to tell you, it works exactly the same. I'm hoping you can find it. One of the coolest dupes here at Dollar Tree is this new body care line they have. This is a dupe for the Native body wash that's so much more expensive. You can get it in 3 different scents. They have the peach ring, coconut and vanilla, and jelly bean. They have an Arm & Hammer Essentials foaming hand soap in 2 different scents that's way more expensive on Amazon. Over the past few months, I've been noticing this Twist hair care line here at Dollar Tree. This is a name brand line. Now, I'm not sure if they're just getting rid of their stock, but it may be a way for you to stock up on a name brand item. We keep getting more and more party selections over here at Dollar Tree. Check out these plates. How adorable are these? You could find something a lot more expensive on Amazon, but you don't have to spend that money. Get it here at Dollar Tree. The Dawn Power Wash here, if you buy a single one, is $5. I like to buy it in bulk off of Amazon. I get 4 and it's well under $20. Have you heard of Craftsy? If not, it's the perfect site for DIYers like us. If you're not familiar with Craftsy, it's an online community of creatives and like-minded makers where you can find endless inspiration. And I want to thank Craftsy for sponsoring today's video. When you go online to Craftsy, you're going to see that they offer over 2,000 inspiring classes for all different skill levels. They provide step-by-step instructions in more than 20 categories of our favorite crafts and hobbies, from knitting, sewing, painting, drawing, cake decorating, and cooking, and so much more. And I have to tell you, if I find a class that I really like, I am hooked. I think the best way to get started is to go on Craftsy's site and click the browse button. From there, you can see all the different categories that you might be interested in. So I've had a couple of favorite classes recently. One was an art journaling class that I took. I learned how to use several different new mediums with watercolors that I'd never tried before. Now you guys may not know this, but one of my newest crafting interests has been brush lettering. But I have to say that I'm not that good at it yet. This class that I took on Craftsy made it so much easier and really broke everything down step by step. I could really go on and on because Craftsy has so many great classes. Craftsy is also an online community where they offer live stream tutorials. Craftsy put together such a great deal for my subscribers. The first 1,000 people to click the link will get a full year of premium membership to Craftsy for only $1.49. That's $1.49 for a full year of membership. And you can check out all the details below in the description box. Now, I had to show you a dupe in the Dollar Tree Plus section. Probably my favorite item I picked up this entire year from the Plus section has been this under cabinet kitchen organizer. This is great. It's $5. You can put it underneath your laundry sink, your kitchen sink. It would also be great in your bathroom. If you don't have shelving underneath your sink, this is perfect. I'm gonna put all of my cleaners on here and it's gonna give me 2 layers. You probably like to save money over here in the cleaning supplies like I do, but there may be some new items you're not familiar with. Now, a dupe I'll pick up every day of the week are these disinfecting wipes. These are the same as the Lysol wipes, but they're so much less expensive here. As soon as I hear anyone coughing, sneezing in my house, I'm using these wipes all over my countertops. I love to just use them on my handles and knobs. Now, a product I haven't tried before is this Routine Clean wipes. You get 160 wipes in here. It says it's for things like dirt, grime, and grease. Let's try this out in my kitchen. Now, these wipes say they're good for a bunch of different things. Counters, appliances, outdoor furniture. I'm gonna try them over here on my appliances. I have to say I'm impressed with these. Not only do you get 160 wipes, but they have quite a bit of cleaner on them. It doesn't smell like anything really, but I was able to use one of these wipes to clean my stove and my microwave. It also did such a good job over here on my sink. These stain remover wipes are a total dupe for the Shout wipes. These are definitely worth picking up. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment the word of the day, which is deals. A new item I haven't tried out before is this jewelry cleaner. I definitely want to test this out and see if it works. I have a ring that's made from old silverware. It's completely tarnished. I'm gonna try out the jewelry cleaner. I'm gonna put a little bit on this microfiber towel and see if it improves. This works so good. In a matter of seconds, this ring is completely improved. So I would definitely pick this up for $1.25. One of my favorite items on Amazon is my hamburger chopper. I love using it in my kitchen. Somebody told me recently that they have it at Dollar Tree, so I'm gonna pick it up and see if it's as good as my one from Amazon. We have our Amazon option and our Dollar Tree option. Let's put them to the test and see which one you should buy. The Amazon chopper weighs a little bit more, so it's a little bit more substantial. But as far as breaking up the meat, both of them are doing a great job. One of my problems with the Amazon chopper is a lot of times the meat gets stuck on the bottom. Same thing's happening with the Dollar Tree one. I think that's just part of this product. So far, both of them have done a great job of breaking apart the meat. If you like to hang up your utensils, the Dollar Tree one has a place where you can hang it up. So the only big difference I'm noticing with the Amazon one is because it does have more weight to it. If you had some meat that was maybe a little bit frozen, or you were trying to do something maybe like potatoes, something that might be a little bit thicker than the meat, it may chop it up better than the Dollar Tree one. But for doing like ground beef, things like that, I think the Dollar Tree one is the one I would go with. In the office supply section at Dollar Tree, you can find some great deals, but there's some items that are better on Amazon. Let me show you. I'm so excited that they now have the Crayola brand here at Dollar Tree. And when it comes to their specialty crayons, for example, the Pearl crayons, the Cosmic crayons, the glitter crayons, those are going to be cheaper here at Dollar Tree than on Amazon. The 24-pack basic crayons here at Dollar Tree are gonna run you $1.25. This time of year, you can pick them up at Walmart for only 50 cents. In a pinch, I may pick up a few pins here at Dollar Tree, but ultimately, I like to buy them on Amazon. I have this one set by Sharpie that I love. Those are great pins. I also have these really aesthetic pins that I like to pick up as well. Either are great options. You could save a ton of money on back to school and office organization here at Dollar Tree. This 5-piece interlocking desk organizer is just $1.25 here at Dollar Tree compared to what you would spend on Amazon. This time of year, you could find so many options for notebooks here at Dollar Tree, from your larger composite notebooks and your spiral notebooks down to the smaller, more journal style notebooks. Every once in a while, Dollar Tree will put out some new utensils. Last time we were shopping here, we found this melon baller. Let's test it out. I know it's a lot more inexpensive than the higher end versions. This is actually more than just a melon baller. It's a 2-in-1 scoop. So if you need to use the other side, you can do that. Most of us know to head to Dollar Tree for our gift wrapping supplies, but have you been here lately? They have so many cute new items. These bags are absolutely adorable. Just $1.25. I really can't believe it. Even their wrapping paper is getting to be a wider selection. That, I think, was an area where they didn't have a lot of options. The tissue paper, super cute. And then check out all these different boxes. A lot of people like to just gift in boxes. They have options here. I spotted a mini version of a detangling brush that would be perfect for travel and much more expensive on Amazon. Now, a hack I like to do is to buy these smaller containers of trash bags. These are perfect to line all of your trash cans in your bathrooms. I'll put this down at the bottom of my trash cans, and then anytime I need a trash bag, it's sitting at the bottom. So I love doing this hack. These are only $1.25. You're gonna spend a lot more on Amazon. You can save a lot of money with this over-the-door hanger. This is perfect to put on the back of any door. You could hang towels or your hats. Did you guys watch my last shop with me video here at Dollar Tree where I showed you these dupes for the Special K bars? I eat them probably a few each week and they're really good, but I tried the dupes and I have to say they weren't as good as the Special K bars, so I probably wouldn't pick those up again here at Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree has this LED headlamp for kids, perfect for camping or just going outside at night. Great this time of year. Originally, these were around $7.88. I love finding name brand stuff here at Dollar Tree. Over here in the kids' toy section, Hot Wheels are available. You can get one Hot Wheel for $1.25. Now that's similar to what you can buy it in a larger pack on Amazon, but if you just need one or two, they're available here. Let me know down in the comments which of these deals you'll be picking up. I love knowing your opinion. And just remember, if you're looking for any products in today's video, including what I'm wearing, it'll be linked down in the description box. And make sure you subscribe because I want to see you back here, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye.